Put yourself mute, says that, right? So in the last class, we have successfully discussed about difference between where, let, and const keywords. Okay, difference between where, let, and const keywords. Okay, so now today class we are going to discuss about different types of methods in JavaScript. So what are the methods? So functions. Why we need to write a function? So what is a function first? Collection of statements. So first of all, why we need to write a function? So whenever we are working with real-time applications also, or else whenever you want to do anything through any work through computer, we need to choose any programming language. So by using that programming language, we need to write some instructions. So if you write instructions separately, so how can we do anything? No. So we need to write all the instructions in a particular scope. So that scope is nothing but a functional scope. So we need to write a function and we need to write a name for that. And if you want to execute that instructions all at once, we need to call that function. So in how many ways we need to write a function? In how many ways we need to write a function, and what are the different types of functions are available? That means syntaxes difference and what is the advantage of them. Okay, so all those things we'll discuss in this class today. Okay, right. If there is time, today we'll discuss about promises also. Okay, right. Now see here itself we are creating a new file, basic underscore diff underscore between diff underscore different underscore types underscore of underscore methods underscore example dot html. So different types of methods, example dot html. Okay, right. Now here what I'm doing is, so how to write a function? So then before that, how many types of functions we have? So we have three types of functions: naming function, anonymous function, and a lambda expression in JavaScript. So how to write a naming function? So before that, what is the thing we need to have? We need to have a HTML code. So directly can we execute .js file in the browser? Respond anybody. Directly can we execute .js files in the browser? Hello? Hello?
No, sir.
No. So why? Because if you directly execute .js files in the browser, it will read it as a normal text files only. So whatever you have written there, that will print there. That's it. So if you want to execute JavaScript code also, CSS code also, through HTML only it can be possible. Through HTML only it can be possible. Okay. So that's why we need to execute all the JavaScript code and HTML, CSS code and HTML code also through .html files only. So in order to write JavaScript, we need to use here script tag. In order to write a JavaScript, we need to use here script tag. Okay, right. Now, how many types of methods we have? We have three types of methods. One is what? Naming function. What is that? Naming function. Okay, right. So now how to write a naming function? So right here function keyword. It should contain a function keyword. Okay. Now write a function name. Suppose I want to add something. So that's why I'm writing here function yard. That's it. Okay, and here I'm writing console.log. Okay, this is yard method. So this is what naming function without params. Without params. So do this statement will execute automatically. Respond everybody. Do the statement console.log statement will execute automatically. Respond. Do this console.
Yes.
Others respond. Haridhar, Sister, Kodi Ramineni, Ganesh. Respond. Do this statement will execute automatically.
Yes.
I'm asking about the statement. So it don't execute automatically. Why? Because you have written in a functional scope. So whenever you call this function, then only the statement will execute. Okay, if you want
Yes, sir.
to execute the statement, so first of all we need to
Call
this
the
function.
function.
Okay.
Call the
Yeah.
function. Okay, sir.
Right. So now right there, yard parenthesis semicolon. Okay, let's save it. Now execute in the browser. So to execute it, go to your application directory wherever you have
Web
created
browser.
it. Yeah. So here, Charu JS practice here, and directly this one. Execute in the browser.
Yes, sir.
So what I'm getting, I am Charu. I am Charu is not the thing I wanted to see. So right click there, click on the inspect element. Go to the console area. See that this is yard method is coming or not? That's fine, everybody. This is yard method is coming or not?
Yeah.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
So this is how this is how we'll execute a method. This is how we'll execute a method. Okay. Right. So this is what type of function? Naming function.
Naming
Without
function.
params. Okay. Without params. I don't
Yes.
have any parameters here. So why we are calling it as a naming function? Because it has a function keyword. Not only that, it has a name as well. Okay. If you want to execute this function through this name, we will call it.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Right. This is why it is calling it as naming function. Right. Now here, what I'm going to do is naming function with params. Put the heading like that. Right. Now also here I'm writing function yard. So if you write any instruction, automatically that instruction will call. Automatically that instruction will execute. That's fine, everybody. Do that instruction will execute automatically? No, we need to call that
No,
method.
sir.
Okay.
Call the
Yeah.
method. Okay.
Right. Now respond. I am calling the method called yard. Now respond, everybody. If you want to add minimum, how many numbers you want? If you want anything, minimum how many numbers? If you want to add minimum, how many numbers we require? How many values? At least
Two.
minimum.
Many.
Minimum I'm asking. Minimum, if you want to add minimum, how many values we want?
Two.
Minimum.
Sir, 1 or 2.
One, how it can be add, Ganesh? Two we should have. Okay, that's why I'm
2
asking.
values. Sorry, sir.
Yeah,
2
okay.
values.
Two values. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So okay, right. So here I'm sending two values. Okay. So here I'm sending 4,
2.
6. Okay, 4, 6. So how these values can hold by this method? Say I'm not declaring variables in the function. You need to remember that. Directly I'm sending the values
Yes.
to the function. Directly I'm sending the values to the function. That's what you need to understand. Okay. Directly I'm sending the values to the function. So how these values can hold by this function? How these values can hold by this function?
We can declare parameters, sir.
Right. Perfect answer. What is that? Parameters. So how many parameters we need to declare? How many parameters we need to
Two
declare?
parameters.
Two.
Two
So why?
parameters, sir.
Yeah, right. Why? Because we are sending here two values only. So right there, two
Two
parameters.
values.
A,
Two
B.
parameters only.
Yeah, right.
Yes.
Now right here, console.log
Console. A plus
A plus B.
B.
Right. Now go to the browser. Already it is there. So just go there and refresh. Observe here, everybody. We are getting output as 10 or not? That's one, everyone. We are getting output as 10 or not? Hello.
Yes, sir. 10.
So why we are getting? Because we have sent the values as numbers and we are getting the output also number only.
Directly.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Now we are sending the values also number and the output also a number. The values are 4 and 6. And here what I'm doing, I'm performing here additional operator. So what is the additional operator here? Plus. Okay. So that's why we are getting the output as 10. Okay.
10.
So when the plus will become the additional operator, when the plus will behaves as an additional operator, if the two values are numbers, then only it will work as an additional operator. Any one of the value is a string, then it will work as a concatenation operator. Suppose I am sending this 6 like this. So now what is the type of 6? Respond, everybody. What is the type of the 6?
Sir, string. String.
Okay, why string?
String,
Why?
sir.
Because it is in a double quotation or single quotation, that can be treated as string only. So now what this plus will become additional operator. So now what is the output
Sir.
we will get? Yeah,
46.
tell me. Yeah, tell me, Ganesh.
Sir, was single quote or double quote are same in JavaScript?
Yeah, same. Okay,
Okay.
there is no difference.
Okay.
Right. So now how it will work? Like a additional operator. So what is sorry, it like a concatenation operator. So what is the output we'll get? Charu, respond one more time. What is the output we'll get?
46.
Actually, yeah, it looks like a 46, but actually 4 and 6. That's it.
4 and 6,
Okay.
sir.
Yeah, 4 and 6. But looks like 46. But that is 4 and 6. That means
4 and
4 is concatenating with 6. That's it. That's why I'm calling it as 4 and 6. Okay. Right.
Okay.
So that's why any one of the value is string, then automatically this plus will become addition concatenation operator, so that the values will be concatenated. That's it. Okay. Suppose any one of the values not matched. Suppose see there, I am here sending only one value. I am sending only one value. Then what is that output I will get? See how many
Error.
parameters I mentioned here. How many parameters I mentioned here? 2.
Sir, 2 parameters.
Yeah. How many values I'm sending here? Only one. So
One.
what is the output?
Sir, not
Yeah.
match.
Right.
Not
What is
match,
the
sir.
out? What is that?
Sir,
Not
error.
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 Okay. So
Yes, sir.
actually we'll get output as nan. Nan means
None.
not a number. Nan,
Yes.
what is that? Not a number. So why we is behaving like this? Because automatically in JavaScript, automatically unmatched parameter value will become undefined. Automatically unmatched parameter value will become undefined. Okay, everyone. Automatically unmatched
Yes.
parameter value will become undefined. So that's why
Undefined.
what is the value is not matching here? B value. Why? Because 4 is assigning to A, but there is another parameter also there, B, but there is no value is not here. So this is becoming unmatched parameter. So automatically its value will become undefined. So A means number B means undefined. So number plus undefined equal not a number. Number plus string equal to string. Okay, number plus string equal to string. Number plus number equal to number. Number plus undefined equal to not a number. Okay, so these are JavaScript will work. Clear it, everybody? Respond, everyone. Haridas says
Yes,
that.
sir.
Yeah, Ganesh. Yeah, responded. Ahmad, Charu, Koti.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, right. Okay, so this how we'll get the
Yes.
output. So this is how will work. So this is without params and this is with params. Okay, right. Now we will
Sir.
see another another way of method. Okay, we will see another method. What is that? Another method. What is another method? What is another type of method? Anonymous function. Yeah, put everybody mutes. Anonymous function. Then how to write an anonymous function? How to write an anonymous function? Generally, how to write a naming function? Respond. How to write a naming function?
Function with name.
Function and function keyword. Okay. Function and function name. Sorry. Function keyword and function name. But how anonymous function? Yeah. How anonymous function will write? Like this only.
Name.
Function parenthesis curly brace. Okay, there won't be any name. Suppose there is a person, he doesn't have any name. So how we will call that person? Anonymous person only. Or else if you want to call that person, are you able to call that person? Respond, everybody. There is a person, he don't have any name. Are you able to call that person?
Anonymous function.
No.
Generally anonymous.
Generally I'm asking. There is a person in front of you. He don't have any name. Are you able to call that person? No. Okay. If you want to call, what we can call anonymous person, like that. Okay. So here also there is a function. I will write some instruction here. Okay. I will write some instruction here. Console dot log. Okay. What is that? Sorry. This is yard method. Yard method. Yeah, put everybody mute. Sorry. Okay, this is add method. Now, are you able to call this function? Are you able to call this function?
No.
No, sir.
What is? Yeah, no. So then, what is the thing I need to do? I need to assign to a variable. So now, where this value yard becomes a function. Okay. Suppose you are declaring a variable here, where x equal to 10. Then x means what? Respond everybody. X means what?
X.
Variable.
Variable. And what is
Variable,
the
sir.
value? Yeah, variable, and it
And
is a number. Okay, and it is a number.
number. Yes, sir.
Suppose where y equal to you are written here Charu. So what is the
String
meaning
value,
of
sir.
y? Yeah. What is the y? It is a string and it is a variable
String
also.
value.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now we have assigned here a function to a variable. Then what this variable will become? See, previously we have assigned here a string, so that's why y becomes a string. Previously we have assigned
Yes.
a number, so that's why x
Number.
becomes a number. But now
Number.
we have assigned a function to a variable. Now what this variable will become? A function itself. What is that? A function itself.
Okay.
Okay, right. Now if you want to call this function, we need to call through this variable. Right, save it. Now go to the browser and refresh. There we are getting or not? Respond everybody. Hello? We are
Yes.
getting
Yes,
or
sir.
not? These are method, okay? Right, that's it. So now yeah, now take the control Charu. Write the anonymous function. First write the naming function with params.
Okay.
Yeah. Naming function with params. With params.
Okay. Okay.
No, don't write ABC. Write there yard like that.
Okay.
Yeah, right. Yeah. Now wait 1 second. Wait. Don't do anything. Now convert this into anonymous function with parameters. Try to guess and convert. Convert this into anonymous function.
Function one. Height. On the function. Add with.
And how to write the
S.
parameters? Yeah. So is it the correct way? Wait 1 second. Is it the correct way? Respond everybody. Give me the access.
No, sir.
Once give me.
No, sir.
So
On the
generally
add.
why is it?
Add is equals to
Yeah, right.
function.
Right. Yeah. Charu, put. Right. I'm getting some noise. Charu, put yourself mute.
Okay.
Put yourself
Okay.
mute.
Add is equals to function only,
1 second.
and call them after.
Right. Yeah. Wait 1 second. Wait 1 second, Charu.
On
So
without
wait.
parameter.
Don't think. Please. Let me explain. So generally, what we feel. Okay, this is a function and this is the where keyword. So if you write like this, it's okay. So now, if you want to call this function, what we will do? We'll write a function here. Sorry, we need to call a function here. Add parenthesis. It's okay. But now I want to add something. So minimum 2 values I read. So here I'm sending 2 values. So comma 5
Yes,
comma
sir.
6 I'm sending.
5 or 6.
Okay, 5 comma 6 I'm sending. So now how these values can be held? So most of the okay, so how this can be held? By writing parameters. Then somebody will confuse where we need to mention the parameters. So variable is for holding the values itself, not for holding the parameters. Okay, so functions are for directly we can write the functionality. Sometimes we need to hold a values through function also. So that purpose we need to here mention a parameters also. Okay,
Parameters.
so now right there a
Yes, sir.
comma b. Right, save it. Now right there console dot log a plus b. That's it. Save it. Now see here what is the output we will get. Respond everyone. What is the output we'll get?
Sir, 11. Sir, 11.
Okay, right. We'll get the output as 11. Okay, right. The
Sir-
Sajdar, you are not responding today. Yeah,
Sir,
Ganesh, tell me.
in this case, add only working as a variable.
Variable, that's it. Yeah, it is a variable, and it will, since we have assigned a function, automatically it will become a function. That's it.
Okay,
Okay.
okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
right. Yeah, Sajdar, you are not responding today. You are understanding? Harizat Sajdar. Ahmad.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Ahmad, are you understanding?
Yes, sir.
Right. Charu, you?
Yes, sir.
Right. Manoj Mahapatra, is this your first class? Manoj Mahapatra, is this your first class, or else in the last week also you attended? You are muted, Manoj. Unmute yourself and speak. Okay. Right. Now what is this? This is anonymous
function. Anonymous function
anonymous function
with parameter.
with params.
With param. Okay.
1 second. And the next will copy everything. Right. Yeah, now right there, Charu, take the controls one more time. Convert this into first write naming function without parameters. Okay, without parameters, first write naming function, and then convert into anonymous function. Okay, yeah. No, first write naming function, then convert into anonymous function. Function name without parameters. I told without parameters. Charu. Yeah. Right now, no, wait. Right, perfect. Now convert this into anonymous function. Charu.
Variable add is equals to add remove. Take,
One second.
then
Right. So now see here, we have written a function statement. Give me the access, Charu. Right. Now, yeah. Don't do anything. Right. So where add equal to function. So now it is what? Anonymous function. So naming function contains function name and function keyword and function name. Anonymous function contains only function keyword. It doesn't contain any name. But lambda expression, what is that? Lambda expression we are going to write. Okay, we are going to write lambda expression. Lambda expression or fat arrow method. This is not provisional name, fat arrow method, or else arrow methods also, but provisional name is lambda expression.
lambda.
Okay? Yes, lambda expression. Okay, right. So normally we'll call it as arrow method or else fat arrow method. So why? Because it doesn't contain function keyword at least, only parenthesis, but before curly brace we should have a equal to greater than symbol. We should have equal to greater than symbol. Understand it, everybody? It doesn't contain at least function keyword also, only parenthesis. Then after between the parenthesis and the curly braces, we need to write here equal to greater than. That's it. So now write there console.log. This is yard method. Understand it, everybody? Right.
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is yard method. Now you understand, right, how to write a lambda expression? Hello?
Yes, sir. Lambda
Charu.
expression. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Charu, Dinesh, Danish, what?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Right. Tejdar, you are not responding.
Okay,
Koti,
sir.
you,
Yes, sir. Clear.
yeah. Yeah, Koti, respond through chat. Right. Yeah, Ganesh, put yourself mute. Now, how to write the lambda expression with params? Okay. With params, how to write?
Sir.
Yeah, one sec. Yeah. Right. Now, write their lambda expression, Charu. With parameters.
Where add is equals to subtractor with arrow in parameter type.
Ganesh, 1 second, wait. Yeah, Charu, press Control Z.
Yes.
Press Control Z, Charu. Press Control Z. Yeah, wait 1 second. No, where? First, right? Okay. Where add equal to, right? Yeah, wait 1 second. So whenever you are writing anything, any function also, anything also, okay, first complete the syntax, then only write anything, any programming. Okay, whether it may be parameters also, whatever it may be, first we need to complete the basic syntax, then only we need to write. Okay, Charu, that's why I told you
Yes.
to press Control Z. Okay, yeah, first complete the syntax, basic syntax related to lambda expression. Right there, Charu. Write the lambda expression. Yeah, perfect. Right, now press the enter. Yeah, now write the parameters. That's it. Yeah, now write the console.log statement. Yeah, now call that function. Send it two values, any values. Right, save it. Now check in the browser. What is the value we are getting?
5.
5. So we are getting correctly, right? Hello?
Yes.
Okay, that's it. So this is why we are doing this. Okay, right. And now, then after, wait 1 second. Then after, okay, right, leave it like this. So now, what is the advantage? Or else, is there any? Wait 1 second. Let me write the.
Number expression with
So is there any code optimization can be possible by using lambda expression? So yes, not that much, but little bit we can do code optimization. Okay, right. So what is the advantage? See, and one more thing I want to clarify you. So in real time, no need to worry when we need to use normal function, when we need to use anonymous function, when we need to use lambda expression, like that. Okay, right. So whatever the function also you are comfortable, you can use. But especially whenever you are working, like whenever you are writing a function like a callback function, then we need to use anonymous function. Nowadays everybody using lambda expression also. Okay, or else in normal, if you are writing a function with any name, then go for naming expression only. But why I am telling these three types of methods is, in React JS sometimes they will use naming function, sometimes they will use anonymous function also. So in that case you should not confuse. That's why I am telling this. And no, don't think where we need to exactly. So we cannot tell exactly where we need to use. But one of the advantages, we can export this entire function like a single variable. Okay, we can export this entire function. See here, from here to here we can export this entire function with this variable, and wherever I want I can import it. That is also one of the advantages. Understanding it, everybody? So this entire function,
yes.
we can, okay, this entire function we can export like a single variable, okay, and wherever I want I can utilize that variable also. Wherever I want I can import it. Suppose if you want, if you have ordered shoes from the from US, so without without exporting that shoes, can you able to get it here into India? You have purchased shoes through online from the US, so how you will get that shoes in here in the India? Respond everybody. How you will get that shoes in here in India without exporting the shoes there? Can you get it here? Import here. Say, I'm asking simple question. Why silent everybody? You purchase the shoes from US.
Yes, sir.
So without exporting there, can you able to import? Can you able to import here
No,
in
sir.
India? No, right? So like that, sometimes in real time, whenever we are working, sometimes we need to write functionality in different page, and we need to utilize that function in different page. Okay, so in that case, what I need to do? I need to export that function wherever I have written it, and where I need to import that wherever I want to utilize that. Understanding it? So for exporting and import that functions, that will be very easy also. So that's why they have, okay. So that's why most of the people now using none of function are lambda expressions also. So right. Now what is the advantage of lambda expression? So is there any code optimization can be possible? Yes. Suppose see here, how to write a naming function generally sample. Put yourself mute, Charu. Function sample. Okay, right. Now how it can be called? So with this name only. So how to write the lambda expression then? Sorry, anonymous function. It doesn't have any name, but
Name
without name we
and money.
cannot call it. Right now, what I will assign to a variable where sample equal to. So now what I want to do? So just we need to call this function, entire function like this only.
Sample.
Okay. Now how to convert this into lambda expression? Remove this function keyword at least.
Function keyword
Keyword
is
also
equals to
greater than. That's
arrow.
it. Right. So since it is looking like arrow, which arrow little bit fat arrow? Why? Because if you want to form an arrow with hyphen also we can form, but that is not the
Yes.
correct. Okay, so we are putting here equal to. So it is looking like a
Okay,
fat,
sir.
little bit fat, comparatively hyphen. So that's why it is calling it as fat arrow method, but that is unprofessional name. Professional name is lambda expression. Now
Lambda
previously
expression.
I have sent here two values like 6 comma 7. So that's why here I have sent two parameters a
Two
comma b.
parameters.
Yeah,
A.
okay, right, a comma b. But now what I want to do is I want to send only one value. And how many parameters I need to mention here?
Undefined.
No. How many parameters I need to mention here? I want to send only one value. Then how
Only
many
one
parameters I
value.
need to mention? Only one.
Two.
Okay.
Only
Only
one.
one parameter
Okay.
I need to send. Only
Okay.
one parameter. Okay. So whatever
Okay.
value, whatever the parameter I'm getting here, and I want to return that value. Okay. I want to return that value. Return here. Okay. I'm sending here only one
Okay.
value, and since I am sending only one value, I have mentioned here only one parameter. And whatever the parameter
Okay.
I'm holding, okay, whatever the parameter I'm getting, that parameter only I am returning here. Okay, that parameter only I am returning here. So return cannot print any value, just it will return that. That's it. It cannot print anywhere, either in the alert box or else in the browser or else in the console area also. So that's why what I need to do. I need to call this function wherever I
Call.
want. Yeah. So right there, console.log.
Sir, we use catching parameter also.
What is catching parameter? Dot catch.
Sir, no, sir. Variable xyz and print console.log xyz. Normally.
Okay. Yeah, it's okay, whatever it may be. So see the console.log and sample 6. Okay, right. Now come here and refresh. What is the output I am getting here? Respond everyone. Respond please. Hello. Ganesh, I'm not getting your voice. Charu. What is that?
6, sir.
6 only, okay? Yeah, right. Now, yeah, you are saying something, Ganesh. Now respond. What I need to do here?
Yes, sir.
You are saying
Sir,
something
6
previously.
value.
No, you are saying something previously. ABC or something like that. You are saying, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir,
What is that?
Sir, we are use catching parameter as a catching the value by return statement, and then print console.log and xyz.
Here you want to print the right here console.log. Yeah.
Yes.
No, for this
After
one second.
calculation.
No, okay, leave it. So yeah, for this example, this is suitable. Okay, that's why I have chosen this way. Okay, right.
Yes.
Now see here, console.log sample and parenthesis 6 I am writing here. So is there any code optimization can be possible? Yes, it can be possible. So what is that? How many parameters I mentioned here? Respond everybody. How many parameters I mentioned here?
One.
Only one. Since
Only
you are
one.
mentioning here only one, yeah, only one parameter, you can skip the parenthesis also here. You can skip the parenthesis here. But if you are mentioning here 2 parameters, then we must have parameters. And how many lines of code I am executing here? How many statements I am writing here? How many statements I am writing here? Only one statement. Just I am writing this. Right, everybody? Right. I don't have any other things also here. So since we have returning here only one statement, and no need to use here curly brace also. It doesn't require any scope. If you want to write multiple statements, then you write like this. So after this, so if you want to use this return keyword, there must be curly braces. Since we have terminated the curly braces, you need to skip this return keyword also. Automatically, whatever the value is there after this equal to greater than, that value will be returned automatically. No need to use return keyword. Understanding my point?
Okay.
If you want to use return keyword, then we must have curly braces here. So, or else there is what is the advantage here? Whatever the value is there after this equal to greater than, that value will be returned automatically. Understand, right?
Yes.
Now see there.
Yes, sir.
So sample you are calling here, and you are sending a value here 6. That value will hold by this A, and that will be returned here. Okay, right. Now save it.
Yes, sir.
Now come here and refresh.
6.
See here we are getting the output as 6. Still, if we have any problem, that means it is coming from previous output. So make it as 16. Okay, let's save it. Come here
16.
and refresh. What is the output you are getting? 16 only. That's it.
Sir,
Clear it,
it is
everybody?
possible only single parameter?
Yeah, only if you are using single parameter, then it can be
Okay,
possible. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Multiple parameters means we need to write here parentheses, and then after we need to write here curly brace also.
Return statement. Okay, sir.
Right. Right. So clear it, everybody. What is the advantage of lambda expression? Little bit. Respond, everyone.
Yes, sir.
Hello. Other persons.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, right. Haridas, Siddhar, Koti, Charu. Charu, you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. Sajdar, you?
Yes, sir.
Right. So yeah, pasted here. That's it. Clear it, everybody. What are the different type of methods are available? So naming function with okay, and anonymous function, lambda expression, and a little bit optimize the lambda expression. That's it. Okay, right. So that's it, everyone. So yeah, we have only 5 minutes left, so we cannot discuss any new topic. So that's it, everybody. This is the class for today. Tomorrow we will meet and we'll discuss about promises. Okay, on a day after tomorrow onwards, I will start React.js. Okay, right. Thank you, everyone. We'll meet tomorrow and we'll continue. Okay, yeah. Bye, everybody. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Meet tomorrow.